Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicabanga ukuthi bafethu kubalulekile ukuthi sikhulume ngama-South American players, izinto abazenzayo ezi-positive ezi-right. Njalo ama-South American players bafethu, especially lawa adlalela iMamelodi Sundowns namanje uGustin Sirino siyambona family orientated, njalo uzihambela nefamily yakhe or ifamily yakhe ikhona e-stadium izomsapota. No-Arthur Salesi, I remember this one time ngise-Loftus ngabona nalo bekangadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns Asquavele, if ngilisho kahle igama lakhe, naye as much as bekangadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns behlezi ehleli lapha kuma-grandstand nefamily yakhe. Hhayi unama-tattoos a-different. I remember iy'ngane zakhe zaziwu-2 or so. Maqeda ukudlala iMamelodi Sundowns amagame bayangena laphana egrawundini bazo-congratulate ama-teammates wabo. Obvious oGustin Sirino manje abo-Arthur Salesi, o-Allende nemindeni yabo siyayibona ba-visible, basi-surround-a ba-close to abantu ababathandayo, and then imindeni yabo iyabasapota kule nto le abayenzayo. I don't wanna bash ukuthi okay eSouth Africa kwenzakalani, umuntu uba u-individually and then is surrounded by ama-friends. Ama-friends isikhathi esiningi okumele awa-impress-e ngemali yakhe. I mean that thing obviously iyaku-distract-a kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi ungakwazi ukufocus-a kumsebenzi wakho. Wena ucabangele nje ukuthi kumele u-impress abangani bakho, uSibusiso ney'ntombi zakhe eziwu-10,000. You can't be in public nomndeni wakho because uney'ntombi eziwu-10. I mean siyazi ukuthi umjida, nawe uyalingeka, but you can always base i-career yakho to abantu aba-close abakuthandayo ngokweqiniso bafethu, hhayi labantu laba aba-close nawe because of udlala ibhola and then uhola iy'mali ey'nkulu nanokuthi udumile. If most of these players can surround themselves they can surround or could possibly be surrounded by abantu ababathandayo, ama-careers wabo azoba made isikhathi esiningi ne-decision making izoba right, because akekho umuntu okuthandayo. For example, ngizokwenza example le, akekho umuntu okuthandayo ozokuyeka ukuthi uphuze ubusuku bonke kune-game kusasa. Ngeke kwenzakale kuma-South American players because they understand ukuthi isinkwa sabo lesi and then bazele e-South Africa ukuzodlala. Masibheka, I'm thinking of someone cishe ngalisho igama lakhe but angifuni uku-involve igama lomuntu. Right now khona i-player edlalela i-Big 3 beliphuza laphana, ithi ngingasho ukuthi kuphi bafethu, but yeah beliphuza, umuntu udakiwe in public. Guess what? Hey, in the next day or I think it was a day before, in 2 days time bayadlala. What about i-profile yakhe ne-team ne-image ye-team ku-public ukuthi uyayingcolisa? The guys don't even think about that bona. And akekho umuntu, njengoba bengishilo, akekho umuntu okuthandayo ozokuyeka ukuthi ube public wenze noma ngabe yini ukuthi u-impress abantu. No, umuntu okuthandayo ngeke akuyeke ukuthi niye-clubini uspende 40,000 rands etshwaleni kuphela, akekho. Akuyeke cause ubhubhudla le 40,000 kusasa kumele uye emsebenzini. But no, laba abanganandaba nawe bazokuyeka uyayibhubhudla le mali le, wenze whatever because of isikhokho sabo. But if you are surrounded by abantu abakuthandayo, impilo yakho ne-career yakho iba ngconywana isikhathi esiningi. Asisho ukuthi iba 100% ukuthi wena awenzi amaphutha, no, angisho kanjalo, but-ke mostly mawusurround-we by abantu abakuthandayo, abakufavorayo, abakufisela izinto ezi-right, ne-career yakho iba right isikhathi esiningi. But-ke iba surrounded by abantu nje, usenkingeni e-serious bafethu. But-ke asifunde kuma-South American players. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.